This is a quick demonstration of the Avtec console connected to the ICOM FR9010/EtherStack P25cc. This is the P25 composite trunk system talking to the Avtec console, and the Avtec talking with the radio system. Simply select the radio system. I'm going to key the mic, and you'll be able to hear audio out of my radio, the F9011T. Radio test one, radio test 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a little close, but that's why you hear the echoing, but that's the radio. You see it keyed up with a light, the TX light up here. Now I'm going to talk from the radio to the Avtec system. Radio test 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. You'll see that the light is flashing. That indicates that it's transmitting. When you transmit also, there's indication on the console. You'll see the select light when you have audio passing through. When you're keyed up as well, you also have the transmit light and the VU meter. And that's really the quick test that I wanted to show you, that this is a working Avtec console via CSSI to the existing and demo test system for the Arizona Bureau of Reclamation. Thanks.